Hello friends, the question is like this. We have to solve this integral square root of x square plus 1 into log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log x upon x to the power of 4 with respect to x. So friends, to solve this question, first of all, it should be noted that it is a tricky question, and first of all the terms are to be simplified in such a manner that the integration or some method of integration could be applicable. So for this I take this function, and as a first step I'm going to write this function like this. This square root of x square plus 1 upon x square upon x to the power of 4 is written separately, and this 2 log x is written as log x square. Okay. Further, this term as it is, I apply the formula of log m minus log n. So this can be written as log of x square plus 1 upon x square. Further, I can do two things. Firstly, I can take from this square roots term, I can take x square as common, and next I am going to divide separately this x square plus 1 with x square. Okay, these two terms would be divided by x square. So I am going to get this as x into square root of 1 plus 1 upon x square. Here I have taken x square as common, so on taking x square outside the radical sign I am going to obtain x, and in the radical sign I am going to obtain 1 plus 1 upon x square. This x to the power of 4 term as it is, and on dividing x square plus 1 separately with x square I am going to get 1 plus 1 upon x square. Now further I can write these terms as 1 upon x cube, because this x and x to the power of 4 can be solved and written as 1 upon x cube. Square root of 1 plus 1 upon x square can be written as written like this. Okay, and this term as it is. Okay, now so the integration of this value is same as integration of this value. Okay, now I'm going to substitute 1 plus x square is equal to t. On differentiating both sides with respect to x, I'm going to get minus 2 upon x cube dx is equal to dt, or 1 upon x cube dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay, I don't think so there should be any explanation of how we obtained this term. Okay, so I'm leaving up to you. So on substitution I'm going to get this value as equal to minus 1 by 2 times integration of square root of t log t dt. Okay, so what I've done here, for 1 upon x cube dx I have placed minus 1 by 2 dt. For this value I'm going to get square root of t. For this term I'm going to get log of t, because t is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x square. And further this can be simplified as minus 1 by 2 times integration of t to the power of 1 by 2 log t dt. Now to solve this integral I'm going to apply the formula of integration by parts. This will be my first function and this will be my second function. So this would be equal to minus 1 by 2 times first function into integration of second function minus integration of the product of the differentiation of first function and into integration of second function. Okay, now further what I'm going to do in next step, I'm going to integrate this and differentiate this to obtain this value as equal to minus 1 by 2 log of t into this t to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to t to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Differentiation of log t is 1 upon t, and t to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to t to the power of, and integration of t to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to t to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and this integration with respect to t is written as it is. Okay, further I can simplify this t and t to the power of 3 by 2 to write this as equal to t to the power of 1 by 2, and here in the denominator we have 3 upon 2, so this is written as 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Now further I have to integrate this term only. Okay, so this term as it is, this term as it is, and integration of t to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to t to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, so it is written as 2 by 3. Okay, so we have virtually completed the question. Now we have to do is simplification. Now t to the power of 3 by 2 can be taken as common, 2 by 3 can be taken as common, and on solving this will be equal to 1 by 3 log t as it is and 2 upon 3 as it is plus c. Since we have substituted 1 plus 1 upon x square is equal to t, then on replacing the value of t as equal to 1 plus 1 upon x square, we would get the final answer, and this will be equal to minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 upon x square to the power of 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus 1 upon x square minus 2 by 3 plus c. So this is my required answer.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.